Alright, come on, PVC2. Follow the sultry sound of my voice. No peeking, it's totally peeking. JLion, Horton, Smurfette, and open up! Ta-da! What do you think? What was wrong with the old car? Yeah, Horton and Smurfette made me a new car. 6-wheel drive! Come on, get in! JLion, you made me funny. Super funny. Hey, did you get your butt on my seat? What? Wanna see a receipt? JLion, I saw your side. Why you cut it out? It's like release the panther. Oh. Oh. Oops. Is that your seatbelt broken? Don't worry, we'll fix your seatbelt. I got a spare. Oh. Don't just sit here, PVC2. Push the button. Oh. Ha. Yeah. I get it. Sorry. Don't touch your street. I'll do it. Phew. Oh, my head. Don't touch PVC2. I'm gonna kill you. What? PVC2, I'm gonna kill you. That's weird. They make you go off. Buy me, you son of a bitch.
Guitar Gorilla, you're such a great golfer too. Guitar Gorilla, is there anything that you can't do? All the girls say go, Guitar Gorilla go, Guitar Gorilla go, 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 go.